Hello everyone, if you watched my last video, I announced that I will be releasing 6 free courses here on this channel in Blender, about Blender, teaching Blender throughout this year in 2024. The first course is this. I showed that in the previous video, 3D modeling, shading and rendering basics, fundamentals, all the important tools. 3D animation, sculpting and painting, simulation physics, compositing and VFX, and finally geometry nodes. And I said in the previous video that you can choose what you want to learn first and you can comment about those, and I will try to create those courses first. So the first course, 3D modeling, shading and rendering, is ready, and this course has 10 lessons. So the first lesson will be about Blender's interface, which I will upload today after this video. And then we will learn about navigation in Blender scene. We will learn objects and tools, common modeling tools, common modifiers. We will create a little project during the course, which I will show in a moment, and shading materials. We'll learn about textures, UV mapping. We'll learn how to light and render, and also we will have a bonus section. And this is important because during this course, while watching all of these, if you have any problems or if you need more information about anything, you can comment below the videos, and I will try to cover all those solutions to those problems in this bonus video. This free course is going to cover all these lessons and the most important things in all of these areas in Blender. But if you want to learn everything in Blender, you can get my full course on Udemy. And if you get that course, you will have a great full course on Blender, which is more than 36 hours long with more than 200 lessons, covering more than 150 topics in Blender. So if you get that course, you will have a great course and you will also support us. And a little about the project that we're going to make in this course. This is what we will end up with after the course. Of course, this is very simple, but the course is about fundamentals. It's not about creating complex projects, but I believe it will help you to kickstart your journey with Blender. So I hope you're ready to learn Blender with us. If so, see you in the next video.